Hey guys, it's Jaleesa. I'm back with another video, and it's been a hot little minute. I just came back from Belgium last night. I was there for the week, just visiting a friend, and before then I had the flu, so haven't been able to do a whole lot, but I have a ton of new packages, new products, and things that I wanted to share with you guys. I normally go on Instagram stories and I share, but I figured why not make a YouTube video, because why not? I have 15 PR packages, and I'm gonna open them all for you. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so we have a box here. We also have Lenny, who is not going to let us film this video without saying hello. Let's see. I think this is either MAC or NARS. This is NARS. It's the Powerchrome Loose Eye Pigment. We have 6 different pigments here. So let's open, this one's called Slam. So this is like a really nice golden. We have Hammered, which looks like a red duochrome. And then I'm just gonna open up all the rest of these and then just kind of show you, since we'll be here all day. Oh no, this one broke. All over my blanket. And it's like I'm wetting it with the makeup wipe, but as I wet it, it gets like more intense. So I'm gonna set that one to the side for a sec. We have, oh my god, that one fell out too. What the heck? All right, no man. Could be from like mailing and settling and stuff, but they shouldn't just like pop out like that. Come on. Then we have Shock 'em here, which is like a gold metallic. I'm scared to take like the film off of it. Ah! And then this one crumbled out too. This one is Riding High. So I don't know what's going on, but if you get these, they're very beautiful, but if you get them, just be cautious. Wow, God, I don't even know how to like get this off. Okay, let's put these back here. And let's open something else. Oh, and by the way, thank you, NARS. I do absolutely love them. I don't know why mine are crumbling like that, but thank you. So we have, this is from Boscia. As you can tell, it says Boscia literally all over the entire box. Okay, so from Boscia we have the Most Valuable Players. So they gave me this really nice Jade Roller. I love these rollers. They're really great for massaging product in. It really helps with fluid under the eye. So I really do actually use these. This is a vegan collagen booster serum, B12 hydration booster serum. Lastly, we have the vitamin C with caviar lime booster serum, which I am a big fan of Boscia. My favorite moisturizer is the oil-free green tea one. It's the only one that like really doesn't break me out, and has tons of antioxidants, gives me a really nice matte finish. So I normally wear it under makeup. So anyway, anytime I get anything from Boscia, I get really excited because it's one of my favorite skincare brands, and it's one of the brands I will go out and purchase and replenish and make sure that I'm fully stocked up. I don't think I've tried any Boscia serums yet, so these will be my first. Oh, Le Mieux? Le Mieux. Le Mieux? Le. Sorry, my bad. Le Mieux. Le Mieux. Le mot? Le Mieux. Le Mieux. I've been practicing my French on Duolingo, so Jaleesa.
We love your videos on YouTube, and we love your positivity. Here are some of our iconic products to keep you glowing while you film. Thank you!
Okay, so the Hyaluronic Serum, this is the Hydrate and Plump, has green tea extract, vitamin E, vitamin B5, hyaluronic acid. This is it. I want to say this is a very on the more natural side of products. Serum in a dropper. Smells nice, very clean, very simple, doesn't smell overly fragrant, and it just absorbs right into the skin. I'm excited to try that. This is the BioCell mask, which I love sheet masks, love sheet masks. I used to do a sheet mask a day, and it really helped to improve the texture and like the I guess elasticity of my skin. So I'll go back to using sheet masks again. This is the Moisture Infusion Mask, IsoCell Recovery Solution. It's Nourish and Soothe. Let's open that up. Oh, that's nice. Again, just a really nice light set for this one. And then we have the Eye Firming Mask, which I'm assuming are the little under eye mask gels. So I got some of these. So I'm excited to try these two. I love skincare. Like, skincare it's my jam. Excited to try that. Thank you, Mieux. This is actually more fun on YouTube, I think, than doing it on Instagram stories, because I don't have to keep stopping and starting and tagging, just keep going with it. Ooh, oh, hello. Little Gucci. Ooh, okay, these are metallic lipsticks. So let's open this little Gucci envelope. Jaleesa, we are pleased to share the newest Gucci Beauty lipstick collection, Rouge, Lèvres, Gothique. Okay, so we have these lipsticks here. How beaut. So this one we have here is ooh. So I like that these are really I would say, I want to call them like, they're not normal colors. They're not colors that you would normally see or get. So I think these are more on the fun side, especially for spring. I'm excited to try the blue lipstick because the blue is gorgeous. And this one is like a really beautiful, the Norma pink is like a really beautiful mauve-y lilac purple. So I'm excited to try these two. Thank you so much, Gucci. I love them, and I can't wait to use them. Oh! And we have some more Gucci. Pulling this out of your purse to put your lipstick on, it's just so chic, so pretty. These are the matte lipsticks, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this on my forearm here. Freaking gorgeous. Holy mother. These are actually freaking so gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Gucci. I love these. I actually really, this is probably my most favorite thing that I've opened so far. Let's open the next one. This one is from another one of my absolute faves. This is from Kate Somerville. Truly one of the best. Just one of the best. It's honestly, the reason why I think I'm just such a fangirl for Kate Somerville is because it's one of the only skincare products that are intense enough to work, but also don't break me out. Everything breaks me out. My skin's extremely sensitive. This is for all skin types. It's the ExfoliKate cleanser, and I use the ExfoliKate toner every day, and then I also use the intensive exfoliating treatment. So this is just another extra for me, but this is like a mask. You put this on, it feels really warming, and then you let it sit for about 2 minutes. It's just an exfoliator, and then you rinse it off, and your skin is so soft and like bright. I'm happy to get another one of these. And the cleanser I have not tried yet, so I'm gonna try the cleanser and swap it out for my African black soap, and probably use it at nighttime just to see how that works for my skin and if it makes a big difference. But I love it. Thank you so much, Kate, and I can't wait to try it. This excites me. Ah! Oh my god, I cut the out of myself. Let me pause real quick before I bleed out. Okay, I cut myself actually very deep, and I'm pretending like it's not a big deal, but it's low-key kind of a big deal, and I'm actually shocked that the Band-Aid is holding it in. I also cut my finger in half in college, so maybe I think I'm just used to this. Moving on. Show must go on. If we've learned anything from Beyonce. We have a huge one here. Okay, this is from Warner Brothers. This is for Birds of Prey, which is a little late on my part, for being honest. I already went to the screening. I already went to the Harleywood event, but this is the jacket. It's the Harley Quinn jacket. This is the one that she wore in the movie. Well, not the actual one, but it's one like the one that she wore in the movie. It's just like a fun little clear jacket. Like, this is cute. Birds of Prey. So if you guys haven't seen Birds of Prey yet, actually go see it. It's really fun. Like, it's very animated. It's very action, funny. It's cute. So yeah, one of my favorite movies this year. So guys, go see Birds of Prey, Harley Quinn. Thank you, Warner Brothers. This is probably Birds of Prey again. I'm just super late. This absolutely massive Birds of Prey box. Try to be good with this. Oh! We have some lipsticks from Smashbox. We have a Harley t-shirt. Hold on. I'm pretty sure she wears this in the movie, but it's a Harley Quinn shirt. We have some faux tats, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm a fan of some faux tats and I will put them on. I will pretend to be tatted for like a day. We have, oh, is this a necklace? I hate that I couldn't wear this to the screening. Like, I wish I wore this to the screening. This is, I would die for this in college. Like, I loved layered chains. I would wear this literally every day. Her little doggy Bruce, which if you watch the movie, you'll know that Bruce is not a dog. With the little Bruce hanging, oh, this is lit. I love this. I would actually wear this. Like, I would actually really wear this. Oily, these are some nail polishes from the Birds of Prey. I don't know what this is. Oh, socks? And then we have, this is hair color. Is it permanent? This looks, yeah, this is a permanent blue. So I've got blue hair dye now. Thank you, because I actually stock up on hair dyes for when I need to color my wigs and do cool things. So thank you so much again, Warner Brothers, for the Birds of Prey. Okay, so we're getting down to it. We have just a few more. We have the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, and this is like a travel size. This is from Glow Recipe. Watermelon Glow Ultra Mist, which I actually keep in my bathroom because I love it. It smells good. And then I think this is the new product. So it's the Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. It's a nourishing and AHA smoothing lip product. It smells like watermelon. I have lipstick on, but. So it says that it's a scrub to balm. It smooths, hydrates, and tints the lips. So thank you, Glow Recipe. I'm always very elated when I get a package from you guys. Oh. Revlon. So I've got some tweezers. The Color Stay Brow Lights. One side has a small, I have to get it. This is the smallest brush I've ever seen in my actual life. And then this is the brow product on the other side. So you would just put that on. Oh, so I think it's like a whole brow thing. This is the Brow Creator. So it has a little spoolie on one end. And then this is the Color Stay, and then this is just the brow pencil. It's a little bit bigger than the last one with the spoolie on the end as well. I'm always in need of more brow products, so thank you so much, Revlon. And this bag I would actually just wear out in the streets. Like, this is my type. This is the last one. It says Fragile, and it's very, very heavy. Jaleesa, we are so excited for you to try some of our latest and greatest products, and we hope you love our brushes, which are vegan and come with a free 2-year warranty. I've also included a few products from our sister brand, Practic. Oh, so we have the skincare brush set. 6 brushes for beautiful skin. So we have a clay mask brush. This one is for liquids and gel serums. This is for moisturizer. This one here is a gel mask brush. Then we have an eye cream brush, and then a scoop and mix skincare brush. So that's actually pretty lit because I use brushes for primers and for masks and things. So to have like a full actual skincare brush set is great because it's really nice to be able to use a brush because it's sanitary versus using your oils in your fingers or mixing with your products and stuff. So that's actually pretty dope. And then we literally have 100,000 brushes. This is crazy. This is literally crazy. You're not gonna understand what I'm saying until I show you. I'm just gonna keep going. And that free 2-year warranty is kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, it's like literally every brush. Practic, which the packaging is like really fun. We're gonna take a brush shampoo break. This one's a foaming one. And then we're gonna get back into some more brushes. A brush cleaning tool that you put on your hand and then you would scrub your brushes. Bigger brush cleaner. And then we have the premium kit. This is the brush collection. I have to open it. So it opens up like this. This is so beautiful. I remember I used to pray for times like this when I was just starting out doing my makeup artistry, and I would get these, just whatever I could afford, the cheapest brushes, and just to be able to like get all of this now, like everything that I've ever needed, I think is just such a blessing. Don't take it lightly at all. Like these are all the things that I needed when I first started. Makes me a little emotional. I'm not gonna cry though, but it does make me a little emotional. So we have some liquid lipsticks. Ooh, gel eyeliner and another eyeshadow base. As for this gel eyeliner, I haven't had a gel eyeliner in a while, and I used to use the one from, oh my God, I'm not gonna figure it out right now. Not Illamasqua, but anyway, I love a gel liner and I wanna get back into using gel liners. So this is actually really great. So that's everything, guys. That's literally everything. I lost a little blood for this video, so make sure that you give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys want to see next time. I thank all the brands for sending me everything. This is really amazing. And I thank you all so much for watching, and I am gonna catch you guys next time. Bye.